Alright, what's up guys, back with another PC building simulator video, and today actually we're going to be building an absolute beast AMD computer. I mean, personally, I'm an AMD person. A lot of people are Intel people. I like Intel better. Me, I like AMD. I always have liked AMD. Well, I wouldn't say always, but I've kind of swayed more towards AMD for a good little while. Let's find us a good case here. I don't want a mini or a micro, I want a mid tower to full tower. Alright, that's a nice cooler master. Not sure it's that big. Yeah, it's a mid tower. Alright, works. Mid tower. Fine. My last builds here. That was a nice, really cool looking case. I really enjoyed that case. Water cooled. Alright, I'm getting off topic. The fan don't order. Weird. There's my other one. Alright, just getting off topic anyways here. That is really nice looking. Did I forget to put something different in there? No? Alright. I thought it would look like a desk filter would go there. Okay. Well, I need to get back to here. Remove that. Remove that. We might end up leaving those there. This is gotta go. Case fan. Why for a case fan? I like Corsair for my case fans. So we shall put a Corsair in that case. Where's a Corsair? Another freaking one. I've used them. Oh, they're there. Pretty blue one. I might end up going with a water cooled build. No, like a sealed water cooled. Motherboard, of course. I'm gonna go with what's gotta be AMD. It's most really Intel. That's Intel. Intel. That might be AMD. No, it's AMD. That's AMD. That's what mine is. I like plus. Alright, well I like this motherboard a lot. They use tough gaming. It's honestly a really, really pretty motherboard and a really good motherboard in general. So that's what we're gonna go with. Is this Intel? No, it's not. I don't think it is. Process. It's Intel. It's Intel. Of course. It looks so much like AMD though. Alright, well, let us put AMD. This is PACAM. That's for a Threadripper. It's also really. Alright, well, for this build, you know what? I'm gonna go with that. That's a good. It's an Asus ROG Strix X450F Gaming. Alright, well, CPU cooling. We gotta put the CPU in first. We're gonna go with what is in mine actually, my actual PC. Alright, there we go. Cooling. That should fit. We're gonna put it up top. Gonna put it over there. I'd prefer it to be there. A little glitchy there. Let's remove it from there, actually. Let's put a different one. Let's put a cooler master or something else. I have no idea who this is, a Gamer Storm. I have no idea. Wait, hold up, wait a minute. Is this a Gamer Storm? Yes, it is. It's a $200 case, is exactly what it is. It's very overpriced. Alright, back to this. CPU cooling. EX Gamer Storm. You know what? Let's go with that one. That one looks very nice. Yes. Yes. That looks very, very nice. Nice. Like it. Alright. Mother, well, we already got that. Oh, frick. Are you kidding me? There we go. Gotta have that on there. Alright, we're just gonna throw this on here. That looks better anyways. Pop up temps of the CPU. Alright, on to memory. Let's put some. There we are. 1, 2. So 16 gigs in there. Let's put another in there too. Have 32. Throw another one in there while we're at it. Nice. Alright, now we need to move on to the graphics card. This is where it's going to get interesting. AMD Radeon 5. Lighting red. VRAM 16 gigs. Dang. Alright. Yeah, let's throw that in there. We're going to have to first remove. Let's put it up here. Oh, that's nice. It's a very pretty graphics card. I really like the Radeons. I actually really enjoy the Radeons. I thought about just dropping RTX, or not RTX, but NVIDIA and going to the Radeons. Let's put a solid, or not a solid state, but a mechanical hard drive in here. Let's go ahead and just put, wait, oh, there's a drive lock, isn't there? This, oh, it comes at the, yeah, it comes at the front. Alright, well there's a 2 terabyte there. No. Just close back for the love of God, please. Alright, that's how it works. Alright. Now we're gonna throw a solid state on the board. A Viper, Patriot Viper. It's gonna go right here, isn't it? Yep. Maybe? No. No, it's not. Alright, well, let's just go with an actual solid state. We could try to put that in there, but there it is. Can we not close this anymore? Alright, yes we can. Good. Alright, we're already up to $2,000 some now for this power supply to power everything. Antic high current gamer 750 watt. Yes. Sounds great to me. Are you kidding me? There it is. Throw that thing in there. Alright. That seems to be everything. Let's see if we can put an already on in here. That's actually what I want to do. No, well, no. I'm gonna put 2 Radeons in here, but first we're gonna remove this one. Remove all of these. Maybe it will, because this thing does support up to 2 graphic cards. 1. Oh, maybe. Maybe. Probably not. Yes, yes it will. Alright. That is a sick build. It's a $3,500 build. If we really want to go all out, I'll throw another one in there. I'll throw another 500 gig in here, just for the heck of it. Alright, looks cool. Let's put the thing back together and we'll turn it on here. Case parts. It's for cable management. Mounted R codes behind there. And boom. Boom. Where does this one go? That was kind of pointless. You're never gonna see that. We need to install these back. Wait, what? Well, you need to put those in there. No. Alright, now put the top back on. It's a very nice looking case. Front. I don't think it's RGB, I'm not quite sure. And there's the back. Well, here, let's turn it on first. And there's the CPU temp, 31 Celsius. Alright. Gotta put the USB drive. That is very nice. Alright, well that's it for the day, guys. Remember, like, subscribe. Thank you very much, and peace out.